How to fix Thunderbird not receiving emails. Let's begin with the first method, basic troubleshooting. We'll start by checking the internet connection. Click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel and open it. Inside the Control Panel, select View Network Status and Tasks. Under the Active Network section, you'll see the connection you're currently using. In this example, we're connected to Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, it will show that instead. Click on the name of your internet connection to open the details. Here, you can view the connection status. As shown, the internet is fully connected and working properly. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next, let's try a manual email check. Start by restarting Thunderbird, simply close it and then open it again. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Get New Messages for. Here, you can choose all accounts or select a specific account to fetch new emails. We will choose all accounts. If the problem still isn't fixed, we'll try the second method, which is account settings verification. Start by checking the server settings. In Thunderbird, go to the top menu bar and click on the Tools tab. From the list, choose Account Settings. And under your account, click on the Server Settings option. Here, you'll see the IMAP or POP mail server details. Make sure the server address and port numbers are entered correctly. For example, Gmail usually uses imap.gmail.com with port 993 or pop.gmail.com with port 995. Outlook works with outlook.office365.com using port 993, and Yahoo uses imap.mail.yahoo.com with port 993. Also, don't forget to check that the local drive has enough free space to save your emails. Next, let's move to the third method, security and authentication. Start by disabling your antivirus and firewall temporarily. After that, open Thunderbird and check if you can receive emails. If the issue still persists, it might be related to authentication. For Gmail users, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. Then, generate an app password and use that in Thunderbird instead of your regular account password. Now, let's try the fourth method. Open Thunderbird. Go to your account, and right-click on the inbox. From the menu, select Properties. In the new window, click on the Repair Folder button. If none of the previous methods worked, then try this one, it's very effective. The fifth method is advanced troubleshooting. Here, we'll start by clearing the email cache. Open Thunderbird and go to the menu bar at the top, then click on Tools. From the list, select Account Settings. Choose any of your accounts and open the Server Settings section. On the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the Directory or Mail Path folder. Copy this path. Next, open Windows Explorer and paste the copied path into the address bar, then press Enter. Make sure Thunderbird is closed while you do this. In the search bar, type .msf and press Enter. Select all the files with the .msf extension and delete them. Once deleted, go back. This clears the cache data of Thunderbird. Now, reopen Thunderbird. The application will rebuild and reinstall your emails. Finally, check if you're able to receive new emails. And that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of Thunderbird not receiving emails.